Parkview Garden, so dark. Lukma Chow border. That is the crossing to Lukma Chow. That is the passage place, the bridge of Lukma Chow. And that is other side, all China. That is the Shiling, Kalbo mountain, we done it already. That is the new town rise up near in the Kutong. That's beautiful area, and you can see that's down, that is we finished just today. We come up from this side, and that is the trail you can see. We come up there, that one, so nice. Oh, immigration to China. Forget the name, the border, this one. After this mountain, this is all China. That is the track we are going, that is our target. You can see the track, this is our target. That is the camping area. ये है चाइना, ये रास्ते से हम आए हैं नीचे, ये सामने सारा पूरा चाइना है। होगी है इधर, धूप है इधर। ये शेंजन बे जाने का ब्रिज है समंदर में। Hong Kong to China connection bridge, Shenzhen Bay.